Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sally Stampers. Thank you for joining me today. Today is the last day of February and so I'm bringing you my March card kit. It's quite hard to decide what to put into the kits because sometimes a lot of the pretty products that we have are so popular that I think there's no point in me putting them in a kit because people will already have them. And so I thought to myself, I know that the Wonderful Romance vellum is very popular, but it's also quite versatile and it's quite a versatile set and you can use it alongside other stamps for Mother's Days, anniversaries, birthdays, etc. And so I kind of put this kit together with all of that in mind. So yes, I've gone with the Wonderful Romance suite. So before I show you what you get, I'll show you the cards and things that I have made. So the first one we have is this quite simple Whisper White one. Together is a wonderful place to be. I think that is so pretty and I love it. I love the DSP and this shows 3 out of the 4 patterns that we have and some beautiful die cut leaves there. So that's the first one. A nice simple one because sometimes I think you do need to have a card that is just thinking of you. You know, somebody may have had some bad news or somebody may be going through a tough time and you just want to say, you know, I'm here for you. So this card was really made for that. Congrats. This is heat embossed with Whisper White, beautiful stamp. And this is from the Sunshine Wishes. Again, just a nice simple card, the softly falling embossing folder in the background. Could be congrats for anything, could be a wedding card, but could also be a congrats for passing an exam or a driving test or anything. Maybe you've passed a degree in floristry or something, I don't know if that's a thing, but you know, the point is that it's pretty versatile. And then this one, which again shows off this beautiful vellum, you are the best. Again, that could be just as a little thank you or somebody supported you through something. Again, quite a versatile one. You could even use it as Mother's Day. You know, mums are the best generally. This one has just a little embossing with the trellis embossing folder. I haven't supplied the pearls and I haven't supplied this ribbon. Again, it's the All My Love bundle, All My Love ribbon combo. So it actually is the Flirty Flamingo, but you could use any sort of ribbon or twine or anything for that, and it is just a little bow. So I haven't added that, and as I say, I haven't added the pearls because I'm fairly confident most people do have pearls in their stash. So those are the cards, and then I don't know why that's decided to fold, or bend should I say, curl. And the last project I've made is this gorgeous little label. So you do get these gold striped treat bags. You're going to get 1 metre of this beautiful ribbon, which is enough to tie this bag up, put on this card, and just to have some little tails on this label. So as you can see, pretty label. The leaves stamped here in the background are actually from Rooted in Nature. I didn't see anything that I wanted to use within the Wonderful Romance stamp set, and I just thought that that coordinated wonderfully with it. And then obviously I've just added the little seal at the bottom here. Again, you are the best thing I never knew I needed. I think that could quite easily go for a Mother's Day as well. And obviously if you've got a nice little gift, you can pop in these bags, tie them up, and there's a really nice little label. So those are the projects that I have created. So as I said, in your kit you will get the 2 of the beautiful treat bags. You will get 2 sheets of each of the DSP because we have 2 vellum and 2 DSP. So I have given you 2 of each. So you actually only get 8 sheets in this kit. But as I said, you get 2 of the beautiful vellums and then 2 each of the DSP, so you can utilise both sides. You get your card bases, so you will get 2 of the thick Whisper White and Mossy Meadow, Sahara Sand and Petal Pink. and then in your little box, get this out because I don't want to tip it because I don't want to risk all of the bits coming out. So you get 5 envelopes. As I said, 1 metre of that beautiful ribbon. You get your label, so it will be ready with the tagged bottom and the hole punched at the top and the corners rounded. You then get your softly falling layer. You get 2 Whisper White layers, which is for the Whisper White here and for this pink one, and then you get a slightly smaller Whisper White layer, and that's for this one, because if you look closely, the layer is actually slightly smaller so that the vellum just shows over the edge. So you get those 4 panels there. I have added a tiny bit of the silver and petal pink twine because that's what I've used on the top of my label. So you do get a small amount of that, just enough to do your label. And then as you can see, you get all your die cuts that you need. And then you also get, 3 gold seals and 12 of the frosted flower embellishments. And as I say, you get all of your die cuts. Now, what I will say is that on this card, obviously I have stamped these before I've die cut them. Unfortunately, I can't stamp images and send them to you, so you have just got the die cuts. Same with these little flowers, you have just got the die cuts and not the stamped image, I'm afraid. But everything else is all in here, and you will get all of this in your kit. And don't forget, if you want one of these kits, you just simply need to contact me. Either go to the link below for my blog, or you can go to my Facebook, or basically get hold of me by any means that you wish. Email or Facebook is usually the preferred way. But that's my kit for March. I hope you like it, I hope you find it useful, and I hope you find my cards and projects pretty. Hope to see you all again soon. Have a great rest of the week and see you again soon. Bye.